Hello, my beautiful people. It's Nikki here, and today we're diving into the world of Hollywood. Picture this: bright lights, cameras flashing, and stars gliding down a stunning red carpet. It's pure glamour, fashion, beauty, and confidence all in one magical moment. But what really makes these stars shine? The makeup. Red carpet makeup is an art form, designed to look flawless under intense lights and from every angle. It's not just about lipstick and mascara, it's about transformation and storytelling. And here's the best part: you don't need a team of pros to feel this fabulous. The power of makeup is for everyone, not just celebrities. It's about having fun and feeling like the best version of yourself. That red carpet confidence? You can have it too, right at home. Today, I'll break down the secrets and show you how to create your own star-worthy look. Get your brushes ready and slip into your comfiest robe. We're about to go on a glamorous journey together. This isn't about changing who you are, it's about celebrating yourself with a little sparkle. We'll learn the techniques and tricks makeup artists use on the world's biggest stars. By the end, you'll be ready to walk your own red carpet, even if it's just your hallway. Let's get glowing and show the world the power of makeup. Ready? Let's begin. The red carpet awaits. Why are we obsessed with red carpet makeup? Because it's the definition of glamour. These looks are crafted by the best artists, using top products and techniques. They're polished, flawless, and always inspiring. Red carpet glam is timeless. Think classic red lips and sharp winged liner. It's about enhancing natural beauty, not chasing fleeting trends. These techniques make your makeup last, look great on camera, and boost your confidence. When you create a beautiful look, you feel powerful and ready for anything. Makeup is self-care and self-expression. Seeing celebrities shine inspires us to feel that way too. And the truth is, you can. Glam is for everyone. Every masterpiece starts with a flawless canvas, your skin. Start with a clean face and a hydrating moisturizer. Let it sink in for a smooth foundation base. For extra glow, add a hydrating serum. Next, primer. It blurs pores, smooths texture, and helps makeup last. Use mattifying primer for oily skin, hydrating for dry. Apply a thin layer and let it set. Now foundation. Choose a shade that matches your neck for a seamless look. Go for medium to full coverage with a satin or natural finish. Apply with a damp sponge for beginners or a brush for more coverage. Concealer time. Use a lighter shade under eyes to brighten and a matching shade for blemishes. Blend well for a natural effect. Set everything with a light dusting of translucent powder. This locks in your hard work and keeps shine at bay. The secret? Less is more. Build coverage gradually. A flawless base is the foundation of every red carpet look. Take your time and enjoy the process. With the right prep, your skin will glow all night. Ready for the next step? Let's make those eyes sparkle. Your canvas is set. Let's add the art. Confidence starts here. Let's move on. Now, the eyes, the windows to your soul and the star of any red carpet look. Start with eyeshadow primer for vibrant, crease-free color. Use neutral shades. Blend medium brown in the crease, deepen the outer corner with dark brown, and add shimmer to the center lid. Highlight under the brow and inner corner for lift. Blend edges for a seamless finish. Next, winged liner. Use a felt tip pen for control, or gel for drama. Draw a thin line along lashes, flicking out at the corner. Finish with volumizing mascara on top and bottom lashes. The result? Eyes that pop in every photo. Don't rush. Practice makes perfect. Your eyes are ready to steal the show. Let's sculpt that face. Time to add dimension. Let's sculpt and highlight. Contour with a cool tone powder or cream a few shades darker than your skin. Apply under cheekbones, along the jawline, and sides of the nose. Blend for soft, natural shadows. Add blush to the apples of your cheeks, sweeping upward for a lifted look. Choose a soft pink or peach for classic glam. Now, highlight. Use champagne, gold, or pearl on cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, and brow bone. Apply with a small brush or your finger for extra glow. The goal: radiant, not glittery. These steps bring your features to life. You're glowing, just like a star. Let's finish with the perfect pout. The lips, your red carpet signature. Exfoliate and hydrate for a smooth base. Outline with a matching lip liner for definition and long wear. Overline slightly for fuller lips if you like. Fill in with liner to create a base. Choose your statement: bold red, nude, or berry, whatever makes you feel confident. Apply lipstick, blot, and add a second coat for intensity. Lock in your look with setting spray. Mist in an X and T motion. Let it dry for a flawless, long-lasting finish. Your makeup is now red carpet ready. Take a moment to admire your work. You did this. Now, let's talk about owning your moment. Look at you. Glamorous, confident, and ready to shine. This is the magic of makeup. Not hiding, but celebrating yourself. There are no rules. Make this look your own. Add glitter, change the lip, or keep it classic. The most important thing? Have fun and enjoy the process. Practice makes perfect, and every look is a chance to learn. You don't need a special occasion to feel beautiful. Glamour is a mindset. Wear it every day. Confidence is your best accessory. Show off your masterpiece. Take selfies, go out, or just enjoy it at home. You are the star of your own story. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Now go out there and glow, because glamour looks stunning on you.